Hi, welcome back to Moose and Chemistry. Thermochemistry, specific heat, lesson number 3. Given the following formula, Q equals MCAT, what is the mass of a sample of metal that absorbs 1,450 joules of heat from 21.8 degrees Celsius to 75 degrees Celsius and has a specific heat of 1.2 joules over grams times Celsius? Well, the first thing we want to do is we want to write the Q MCAT formula again. So we go Q equals MCAT. Pretty simple, huh? All right, the next thing we want to do is we want to write each individual variable. That's important. So it'll help us keep track of who is who. All right. So let's go ahead and put these equal signs in here. Now, our energy, our Q, is 1,450 joules. And we know this because that's what it tells us right here. Okay? Our mass, well, that's what we're looking for. So that's the unknown variable. Our specific heat, which is our C value, is 1.2 joules over grams times Celsius. So we've got that there. And we know that because it says it right here. Our delta T is our change in temperature. So this would be delta initial or delta T1, and this would be delta T2 or T final. So I call it T of F, right? Kind of keeping everything kind of together. So we go delta T equals T of F minus T of I. And this delta T right here is telling us a change in temperature. So delta T equals our final temperature, which we know is 75 degrees Celsius. So we put 75 degrees centigrade, minus our initial temperature, which is 21.8 degrees C. Okay, so everything's looking good. So when we subtract those two, we get this to be 53.2 degrees Celsius. So now that's going to be our delta T. So we're going to put that right there. Pretty snarly, huh? Really easy. All right, so now we want to rearrange to isolate that M all by itself. And you guys can do that. So that is M equals Q over cat. C delta T. Cat. Okay, anyway, so we get our energy, which is 1,450 joules. Put that on top over our specific heat, which is 1.2 joules over grams times Celsius, times our change in delta T, which is 53.2 degrees C. So now we're going to put so C's cancel out, right? We cancel all the common units. And our joules will cancel out, leaving only our gram unit left. So when we do the math, which is pretty easy, this is going to be 1,450 on top. We're going to put the grams out to the side there because it's the only unit left. 1.2 times 53.2 is going to give us 63.84. Now we're going to divide the 63.84 into the 1450, and we would do that. The mass is going to be 22.71 grams, and that's the answer. If you like this video, give us a like and consider subscribing so we can grow this channel. You guys be snarly. I will see you back here at Moose and Chemistry.